Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your host TheRealBlackPuma, and today I'm going to be showing you a video on how to make a paper airplane. This may be random, but I just want to show you how, because it's very fun. I made this airplane. I call it the Arrow. You'll see in a later video how I fly it, but anyway, so let's get started how to make this plane. So first off, you're going to want to fold this. Get that out the way. Fold this like this. Fold it just like this, then unfold it, push that down, and it will be very easy to push down. So then you fold it like this, fold it like this, do it to the other side too. Now it'll look like this. So now, what you're going to want to do is take this, kind of like fold it across, like fold it like this. All you gotta do is just bring this down like this. Just like that. So far, you should have something that looks like this. If you do, perfect. If not, go back and watch the other steps. Alright, we're back. Sorry I had to cut it because I ran out of storage. But anyway, so we have to have it start off like this. And then you're going to have to fold it like this. Just like this. Oh wait. No, I messed up. You gotta fold it like this. Just like this. So after you're done that, you gotta take this and fold it all the way down so it kind of looks like something. Like, this is kind of tricky. Like, something like this. So when you do that to the other side, do it to the other side. And then you would have something like this. Let's test it out. Alright, so see this? It's very fast. I don't hold it down here. I hold it like this because I do. Fold it one more time. Get it all folded. Alright, see this? Perfect. I have other ones, so show this one. These are all the same one. Hold them the same way. And they're very fun to use. I'm gonna make a trick shot video, and this one I have no idea how I made. It flies very far. But anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a like, comment down below, leave support like you always do. And I'll catch you guys in another video. Peace.